It is falling. It is raining glitter now. Okay. Hey y'all, and welcome back to Cat's Corner, the corner of the internet where we hide Cat's madness. Today I'm going to be doing some Crate Finds Penelope Glam thing. I don't know what I'm calling this yet. Figure that out later. But I'm gonna be doing a glam night look, mainly focusing on the Crate Finds shade, on the Crate Finds makeup in the shade Penelope. So the Penelope in liquid lipstick, glitter. There we go, and the eyeshadow. So let's get started. So I've already primed my eyes with concealer and I've set them, and I'm going to start with taking a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to be tapping a little bit into the shade Penelope. We're going to blend that into the crease. I'm going to have most of the intensity on the outer part and make it fade a little bit less intense when it goes inward. And we're just going to build it up until it's as dark and intense as we want it to be. So next I'm going to be taking this shade from the Pure BoxyCharm palette. It is called Boxy Black. And I'm going to be using this little angled brush to focus that on the outer corner of my eye. Now, Boxy Black does have a little bit of shimmer in it, but if you tap it off a little bit, then it is not very noticeable. I'm going to take the same blending brush as before and blend that all together. Tap it a little bit into Penelope and blend it together. Okay, so I've blended Penelope on top of it a little bit just to give it a bit more of the blue back, because I put on way too much black. So next I'm going to be taking a dense flat brush, and I'm going to be using the shade Looking Glass, this pale purple here. And I'm going to be putting that all over my lid, and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of setting spray just to intensify it a little bit more. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend it all together. I'm going to take a little bit of the highlight from my e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner with it. I'm going to take a little bit of foundation primer and put that in the very center of my eye to hold the glitter down. You can also use glitter glue or eyelash glue, or just stick it on there and hope it works, but this is how I do it. So I'm just going to pat a little bit onto the very center of my eye. I'm going to take this glitter in the shade Penelope, and I'm going to just press it right to the center of my eyelid, just to give the look a little bit more of a pop. That all fell and I now have a glittery under eye. Oh well, glitter makes the world go round. I'm going to be taking this little smudger brush, and I'm going to dip it into Penelope a little bit, and then a very tiny bit into Boxy Black. I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. Ah, man, I just got it on my nose. Okay, and I'm going to pop on a little bit of mascara. I'm going to be using the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. So you can easily stop here and pop on a nude lip, and that would be it, but I'm just going to pop on the Penelope liquid lipstick instead, because I'm very extra. And I'm just going to pop a little bit of Looking Glass right onto the middle of my lips. And this gives a temporary glowy effect. It's very temporary, but it looks cool, so we're gonna keep it. Okay, so this is the completed look. It is awesome for like a big night out or an event or whatever. For me, it's going to be me laying in my bed and watching Netflix, but I hope this was helpful, and tell me in the comments what looks you would like me to see on this channel, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!